Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting Mickey Mouse. This is black marker. Now we will draw Mickey Mouse. This is the two big eyes of Mickey Mouse. Now we will draw the retina of the eye. It's time to draw the big nose of Mickey Mouse. Yes, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Like that. Follow step by step how I am drawing. Then you are also able to draw. Now we are draw the two big ears of Mickey Mouse. Like that. Let's learn the colors name. This is our colors: black color, orange color, pink color, red color. Let's time to paint the Mickey Mouse. At first we will use the baby pink color for the Mickey Mouse skin. Like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Now we will use the black color for the ear and head. We will use the black color for ear and head. Follow how I am drawing. The step by step. If you follow, then you are also able to draw. Now we will use the orange color for tongue and red color for his mouth. Thank you kids. Bye bye.